When this seasonal eatery opens, it signifies summer in Greater Cincinnati. And when I show you their food, you'll see why they rank number 12 in the top 100 places to visit in Cincinnati. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Cincinnati, Ohio to the root beer stand. In 1957, this was known as the A&W root beer stand, and a couple by the name of Mick and Nancy Rideour, along with Nancy's parents, were the original owners. And they wanted a seasonal eatery because Mick was a school teacher, and they are known for their root beer. And I hear it's excellent. Their food's supposed to be good. And this is the original and only location of the root beer stand. And on the premises, they have a 280-foot well, and they use the water to make the root beer. So I'm going to order some food and, of course, some root beer, and I'll give you a review of the root beer stand. And I'll have some more information in the description box if you want to find out more about their history. So let's get started. Our adventure starts here. And they also have a local favorite, Grippo's barbecued potato chips. Similar to what they do at bars in Key West, you can bring your hat and leave it here and they will hang it on the ceiling. And for those of you who are not from the area, these are Grippo's barbecued flavored potato chips. And they actually have some heat to them. They're delicious. So if you're ever in town, be sure to get some. I ordered the Chattanooga Burger, and that is a single patty hamburger. You can get in double and triple, I believe. And it has shredded cheddar cheese and pulled pork barbecue on top of it. I also ordered the TIMMY Dog, which consists of chili, cheese, mustard, ketchup, onion, relish, kraut, slaw, and hot sauce. So this should be really good. And of course, I ordered root beer. As you can see from the empty wrappers, my food was delicious. And just be aware, if you come here and you order a chili dog, I'm not certain, but I don't believe they use Cincinnati style chili. It's a bit thicker and doesn't have the same flavor as Cincinnati style chili. But it was very good nonetheless. And if you've ever wondered why Cincinnatians go crazy for Grippo's barbecued potato chips, here's why. Just look how heavily coated these chips are. Look at this, right here. You see this? Lots of barbecue flavor that will stick to your fingers. And like the rest of my food, the chips were delicious. They have an excellent balance of heat and sweetness. And if you ever come through Cincinnati, you should definitely get a bag of Grippo's. So, how was my food? Very good. It did not taste like chain restaurant food because it wasn't. It tastes like food you would have at a cookout. And the root beer, it lived up to its reputation. I'm not one to drink non-diet drinks, but this was delicious. You could taste the vanilla, had a really nice balance to it, and I can see why people come from miles just to buy the root beer. And it's reasonably priced. It's about $6.50 for a gallon. So if you're in Cincinnati, stop by the root beer stand. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell. And until next time, everyone, this is Cashew, signing off. And I almost forgot, they have really cool merchandise as well.